Hey everybody, I'm Shivam. Welcome back to the second and final vlog of the series where I discover the hidden gems of Uttarakhand in the Saryu Valley. I embarked this journey with Village Ways, a responsible tourism company. In the previous vlog, we started to get acquainted to a lifestyle without roads and closer to nature where trekking is the only way to commute. In this vlog, we took this adventure to a whole new level in the Greater Himalayas. We are heading from Juni to Jaikuni today, another 7 kilometers. Hopefully better than yesterday since we're a little more prepared. Also they say it's a little less steeper today, which is good. So let's hope for the best.
हाँ, तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो आंतरिक भाई है उनको जुकाम लगा पड़ा है। कल रात में क्या खाया?
वही जो आपने खाया
नहीं भैया ने तो अलग खाना खाया।
मेरे उसमें ऑनियन और गार्लिक नहीं था। और साथ में हमने कच्ची पी थी जो आपने नहीं पी।
हाँ, इसलिए हम ठीक है। Guys, कच्ची is the local alcohol. That's Antrik over there, but our visibility is like freaking zero.
लेकिन जैसी भी है थोड़ी सी राहत है। बारिश के बूंदे हैं, बादल हैं, पेड़ हैं, पौधे हैं।
आप हो, हम हैं।
आप और हम हैं, और क्या गम है।
Really windy right now. The sun came out for literally like 10 seconds and went away, and now we're back in the clouds with a lot of wind, little bit drizzling. I mean, even my fleece is out because it's suddenly so breezy and windy and cold. क्या कह रहे हो आप?
I am saying पोर्टर वापस आ रहे हैं टेंटेड कैंप से,
और हम आधे रास्ते भी नहीं पहुंचे।
आधे रास्ते से जरा सा ऊपर हैं और थोड़ी देर में वो भी घर पहुंचेंगे और हम भी पहुंच जाएंगे।
हम पोर्टर्स को बोले कि हमें भी उठा लें। हमारी बैग्स का वजन है 15 किलो, हमारा बस उससे थोड़ा ही ज्यादा है। आप तो बहुत फास्ट हो। थैंक यू। ओके, बाय। So this place right behind me is where they normally take a pit stop for lunch. Because it's extremely windy, cold, misty, and it's raining like no man's business, we clearly can't take a halt over here. We're just trying to find a spot somewhere झाड़ के नीचे if we can wait, because we're still 2 किलोमीटर और है ना, जैकुनी पहुंचने में भी 2 किलोमीटर और है. Let's see how that goes. On a scale of 0 to 10, how exhausted are you right now?
What do you think I'm going to say?
100. Am I right or am I right?
To the power a billion or something. I don't know. अगर मैं अभी गिर गया ना, I wouldn't even realize how I rolled down.
Okay, we could not take a pit stop, but we have successfully found a tree. And we've managed to take a pit stop because we're extremely hungry. This is the most adventurous lunch I think I've ever had.
ये फुटेज मेरे को दे दियो.
Okay, done.
डबल काम कैसे करूँ? Tea and
Roti and aloo ki sabzi. What you'll see behind me is our campsite. One of those tents are where we're going to be staying. That's the dining and the kitchen, something like that. I'm yet to figure that out. But thank God, आज के लिए चलना खत्म हुआ. We are at Jaikuni. Jaikuni is basically the border of the Saryu and the Pindar Valley, and we're going to be camping today in the freaking Greater Himalayas. How incredible is that? Ladies and gentlemen, this is room tour for the day.
पधारिए जनाब, आपका स्वागत है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया तारा भैया। We're all packed up. It's raining a lot. We're really hoping and praying to the rain gods that it stops raining for a while at least. But that's not happening. That's our breakfast. Finally stopped raining. The sun is out. It's still drizzling. I think it's going to rain again, but we're going to start walking down. It's again a 7-kilometer walk, but it's a downhill, so it's going to take us just 3 hours is what they say. So let's hope we make it in 3 hours. But until then, goodbye to the Himalayan ranges and our campsite for sure. It's been such an incredible few hours and one night. Thank you.
ओके भाई बोलो आप
Okay, these guys just plucked out a wild strawberry, na? Wild strawberry, and I'm gonna try eating it. Khatti hai. We've made it to Darbala top. This was the first trek we did, which was more like a warm-up trek, and when we did this, we felt like we've done a very big trek. But now that we are coming from all the way those dense mountains, this just feels like a warm-up. High five. ऐसे ताली. चलो bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आप नीचे आ रहे हो.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. आप नीचे आ रहे हो.
No.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. After being in the mountains for 4 days, we're back to civilization. We're back to a road, and we're heading to Khali in that car. After saying goodbye to the team of Village Ways at Supi, who I must tell y'all, in just 4 days made us feel like we were at home in an unknown valley, we decided to rest it out for a day at the Khali estate at Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary and just be. No walking, no trekking, no shooting, just being. To the entire team of Village Ways, the organizers, the guides, the porters, the caretakers, thank you for making my first time at Uttarakhand so special.